Are you ready to unlock the potential of AI? Imagine making $5,000 each month. You don't need coding skills or design experience. What if I told you, starting in 2026, anyone can turn AI into income? Today, I'll guide you on exactly how to achieve this. To get started, you need to choose an AI tool. Look for a free one that fits your needs. Tools like ChatGPT or Canva are excellent examples. They provide user-friendly interfaces. Don't worry, you'll be amazed at how easy they are. Next, learn the basics of your chosen tool. Watch tutorials or read guides. Familiarize yourself with key features. This step is crucial to become effective. The more you know, the more opportunities you'll see. After that, brainstorm ideas where AI can be useful. Think about creating content, automating tasks, or analyzing data. There's a vast market waiting for innovative solutions. Start by focusing on a specific niche you're passionate about. Now it's time to put your skills into action. Start with small projects. Offer your services on freelance platforms. Websites like Fiverr or Upwork are great places to showcase your work. Build your portfolio by winning small gigs. As you complete projects, ask for feedback. Improve your skills based on what clients say. Happy clients often refer you to others. This word of mouth can build your reputation quickly. You might wonder, can this really lead to $5,000 monthly? Absolutely. As you gain experience, increase your rates, offer premium services or package deals, the more you know, the more you can charge. To summarize, start by choosing the right AI tool. Learn its features and brainstorm how to use it. Take action with small projects and gather feedback to grow. With dedication, you can easily reach your goal. Ready to start your AI journey? Don't wait. Choose your tool, learn, and take that first step. Your $5,000 month dream is just around the corner.